If you're considering QuickBooks sales tax for your business, you might be wondering if it's really the best choice. In this video, we'll compare QuickBooks to other solutions and give you everything you need to know before making your decision. So stick with us until the end to find out whether it's the right fit for your needs. First off, QuickBooks Sales Tax simplifies tax calculations by automatically applying rates to your sales. It's a big plus compared to manual methods, or even some competitors that don't offer this kind of automation. But while the system does work well for standard tax rates, it's not perfect when it comes to complex tax situations like multi-state taxation, which could be a deal breaker for larger businesses or those with diverse locations. Next thing to consider, QuickBooks integrates smoothly with other QuickBooks features, like invoicing and accounting. This can save you time by reducing the need for data entry across multiple systems. However, if you're not already using QuickBooks for your other financial tasks, the integration might not be as seamless as you'd expect, especially if you're used to a platform with more versatile connections to third-party tools. The third thing, QuickBooks Sales Tax is designed to update rates automatically, which is great for staying compliant with state and local tax changes. This feature is a major advantage over competitors that require manual updates or charge extra for automatic updates. However, this automation can sometimes lead to unexpected errors if the software doesn't catch every tax change in time. Next thing, if you're a small business, QuickBooks is likely a good fit. It's relatively easy to use and provides enough customization options to meet your needs. But larger businesses or those with more complex tax requirements might find the system a bit too basic. There are other solutions designed specifically for complex tax scenarios, which could offer more flexibility. The fifth thing is its reporting tools. QuickBooks Sales Tax offers detailed reports that make it easier to track taxes, but it doesn't quite match up to competitors in terms of depth. If you're looking for in-depth, customizable tax reports, you might want to consider alternatives that provide more granular insights. Now, the sixth thing, QuickBooks Sales Tax can handle sales tax for physical products, but it has limitations when it comes to services or digital products. This could be a deal breaker if your business deals heavily in services or intangible products, as the system may not provide the accuracy or flexibility you need. The seventh thing is the cost. QuickBooks Sales Tax is priced reasonably for small to medium businesses, but it can add up quickly if you need multiple features or additional users. Some alternatives offer competitive pricing with more features built in, so it's important to compare the total cost of ownership. Next up, QuickBooks offers excellent customer support with a variety of resources available, including live chat, phone support, and an extensive help center. However, some users report that wait times for live support can be long, which can be frustrating when you're dealing with urgent tax issues. The ninth thing is ease of use. QuickBooks Sales Tax is relatively user-friendly, but there's still a learning curve, especially for those new to sales tax. For a business owner who's looking for something quicker to get up and running with, other options might be better suited for your needs, especially if you're not familiar with tax software. The 10th thing is multi-state tax support. While QuickBooks can handle sales tax across multiple states, it doesn't offer the same level of customization or flexibility as some competitors, which can be problematic if you run a business that operates in several states with varying tax laws. The 11th thing is scalability. QuickBooks Sales Tax works well for smaller businesses, but if you plan to scale quickly or need advanced features, you may eventually outgrow it. Larger businesses with complex tax situations may find themselves switching to more specialized tax solutions down the line. Finally, QuickBooks integrates well with a lot of popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. However, the level of integration might not be as seamless as some of its competitors, especially when dealing with larger or more complex transactions. Keep that in mind if your business relies heavily on these platforms. So, QuickBooks Sales Tax is a solid option, especially if you're a smaller business or already